Hi, this is Lisa Goodell, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I am going to show you how to make a Halloween card without any Halloween stamps or DSP. So the first thing I did was look for some type of monster, and looking through the Zany Zoo, all of them are happy, but I thought maybe I could do something with the koala. So I cut him out, and originally I was kind of thinking about cutting off his head and just using that head part with his ears to try to make like a bat. But then later I decided, nah, I think it's kind of ironic to have a cute koala be some type of monster. So after I cut him out, I tried to make his eyes look evil. And I added some mean looking eyebrows. Then I tried to turn that smile upside down into a frown and then add some fangs. Then I got a Posca paint pen to whiten the fangs a little bit. But you could use a gel pen if you don't have Posca paint pens. Next, I thought the koala needed to be hiding in a scary looking forest. So I used the background die from the Perched in a Tree set, and I cut the die out using Pretty Peacock. Next, I'm putting that forest die on top of a piece of DSP from the Hello Irresistible 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is available as an online exclusive. Next, I'm going to pull out some stamp sets and see if I can get some background behind the forest. And I want to have a moon, and I want to have some background trees. I chose the moon stamp from the Mountain Air stamp set. Then I started to remember about some other DSP that I have that might look good as a background. And this is a mountain with a moon already on it from the Enjoy the Journey DSP. And that's retired, I think maybe from the Spring Mini catalog, Spring Summer. And then I tried another background paper from the Hello Irresistible. And then I also went back to the Enjoy the Journey DSP, and I tried a section of that same paper that doesn't have the moon in it with the mountains. So those are just some other ideas that you might like to try. So I decided to keep the Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock DSP, but now I want to make it a little darker around the edges. So I'm using my blending brush and Pretty Peacock to go around that paper, all around the edge. Oh yeah, I like that better. And now I'm going to add a stamp from Grassy Grove that has a hillside and some bushes down on the bottom. And then after that, I'm going to add some trees from the Mountain Air set. And now I'm finally ready to glue on the moon and then also the koala. And on the koala, I put some mini Stampin' Dimensionals up on his head and ears, but on his feet, I went ahead and glued that on. His hands, I did not glue at all, and you'll see what I'm going to do with them after I assemble the rest of the card. So for his arms, what I'm going to do is take a mechanical pencil, and then I'm going to just curl his hands so they kind of are sticking out like they're going to reach out and get you. Okay, I think I'm done with the front. Now I'm going to make the inside panel. For the inside, I just take an extra scrap piece of the DSP and cut it down to size and glue it on the bottom. And then I also had a little tiny strip that I had cut off of the hillside stamp of Grassy Grove, so I'm going to put that just at the top of the other DSP, just to add some interest. So you can leave the card just like that, but I decided to add some text to make it scary and silly all at once. So I decided to do a little koala riddle. The question asks, what would you call a dream where a koala is attacking you? And that is a little scrap piece of paper that I scored so that I could fold that over, and I'm going to be gluing that down underneath the question, but then that will fold up to cover the answer. So, what would you call a dream where a koala is attacking you? A bite mare. I hope that puts a smile on the face of a child in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, in case you would like to get a discount on Stampin' Up! Materials, there is a special going on this month that if you want to join as a demonstrator, you can get 35% off your starter kit, or you can choose to get an extra 35% of items in your starter kit. So check out the description of this video to find the links. Have a great day.